Anyway, I was thinking I'd just go ahead and put a video out real quick for different ways of filling up holes and plugs. I know they sell a tool out there. It's very, it's over a couple $100. So what I have here is, this is a blood pressure cuff, just the bag. And what I did was, I took a tube, vacuum tube, and I ran it through the bag and out of the bag. So it's glued here and it's glued here. There's the bulb. So what you're doing, this is a piece of pipe just to show you real quick. I have to close that up. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to pump this up. And I mean, that's in there. I could probably pick up that whole 4-footer, but I'm not going to. It's unnecessary. But I'm just trying to give you guys an idea. Now what you would do is you take your smoker tip, put it in there, and now you're smoking whatever you want to smoke. You're closed off. This does work, by the way. I know some of the stuff I put out, and it's like I haven't really tested it, or the videos turn out crappy, but like I said, I just want to do a quick video. I've been wanting to show this one for a while, but there you go. A low buck way. This is a smaller one. I actually got my hands on a couple larger ones, but whether it be an intake plenum or intake duct. But there you go. Anyway, I thought that was a nice little idea. So it does. It's in there. So again, blood pressure cuff. This one here is a small one, and I just haven't played with the big ones yet. So again, I glued the hose. It runs through the bag and out. And check with your doctors and stuff like that, because some of the stuff you'd be surprised they actually throw away. And I got my hands on a couple of them that were going to end up in the trash. So I just undid it right there. And I'm kind of mad because I wanted to tell you guys what glue I was using. I've tried I've tried almost every glue and epoxy out there, and off the top of my head I can't remember what it was. So if I can remember, I'll put it in the post or whatever, or maybe by the time I upload this I'll remember. But there you go. So your own cheap way of plugging up a hole and for your smoker. So there you go. Hope it helps some of you guys out without spending